Hello, kids! Birds' names alphabetically. A for avocet, avocet. B for bunting, bunting. C for chickadee, chickadee. D for duck, duck. E for eagle, eagle. F for finch, finch. G for gala, gala. H for heron, heron. I for ibis, ibis. J for jay, jay. K for kingfisher, kingfisher. L for loon, loon. M for mako, mako. N for nuthatch, nuthatch. O for owl, owl. P for penguin, penguin. Q for quetzal, quetzal. R for robin, robin. S for spoonbill, spoonbill. T for titmouse, titmouse. U for umbrella bird, umbrella bird. V for vulture, vulture. W for woodpecker, woodpecker. X for xenopes, xenopes. Y for yellowthroat, yellowthroat. Z for zebrafinch. Animals names alphabetically. A, alligator, alligator. B, bear, bear. C, cat, cat. D, dog, dog. E, elephant, elephant. F, frog, frog. G, giraffe, giraffe. H, hippo, hippo. I, iguana, iguana. J, jellyfish, jellyfish. K, koala, koala. L, lion, lion. M, mouse, mouse. N, narwhal, narwhal. O, octopus, octopus. P, panda, panda. Q, quacker, quacker. R, rabbit, rabbit. S, sheep, sheep. T, turtle, turtle. U, oriole, oriole. V, vampire bat, vampire bat. W, whale, whale. X, xenophora, xenophora. Y, yak, yak. Z, zebra, zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.